Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how much money YouTube paid me after first month of monetization. Quick remember before we go to money section how to enable monetization at your YouTube account. First you need minimum 1000 subscribers, second you need 4000 watch hours in one past year. When you meet these requirements, your channel will be checked is correct to enable monetization, and after this you will go to email with information that you are joined to the monetization program and you can earn money. Let's go to my YouTube Studio dashboard and take a look on the statistic. First I want to share with you information how long it takes for me YouTube monetization requirements. First video I passed around January 2019, but isn't my first video, because before I start work at this channel for real I have few other videos that I use it for learn how to create videos and how works the YouTube system. So like you see, for me this take around 3 years to start making money from this channel. But looking now, I know if I focus more on this channel I can start earn money on this channel early, in 1 year. But like everybody know, after daily job not always is time to do something and have motivation to work on channel. Question for you: how long take you to meet requirements to start earn money in YouTube monetization program? Share this information in comments below this video. Now let's look at the money stats after first month. My first month with monetization was January 2022, but monetization was enabled on the end of this month. So truly whole month was February with full monetization. But I show you how it's looked on the January. January I have over 8,000 views. Watch time hours was 500, and like you see, my estimated revenue from this month was 31 cents. So like I spoke you, my monetization was enabled on the last day, so I have only for 1 day. So 1 day I got 31 cents in January when I start monetization on my channel. Second month with full monetization was February 2022, and like you see I have 5,000 viewers, 168 watch hours, and my monetization from this month was $44 for the full month. So if we look on my statistic, I published 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos, and my biggest revenue from this month was $3.22. The rest of the month was between $1 to $2 per day for each day. So this give me 44.04 USD dollars from this month. So like you see on my channel, the most profit from this video I have in the first video. This is how to make relaxing music videos. I earned 29 USD dollars in February 2022, and CPM was 18 USD dollars. But this is not the best CPM, because if we scroll a little below, you can see I have videos with CPM almost 300 USD dollars. This video doesn't have a lot of views, because in this month I get only 8, so this give me only 64 cents. So additional biggest CPM I have on this video is over 100 USD dollars and give me 17 cents. So not big revenue, but CPM is very nice. Question for you: how much did you earn in YouTube after first month of the monetization, and what was the biggest CPM on your videos? How to withdraw money from YouTube? Withdraw will be processed by Google AdSense account that you connected, and you will typically receive your payment between 21 to 26th of the month. Remember that Google AdSense YouTube has threshold for minimum to pay out, and it is $100, or in my local currency is 300 Polish zloty. Check this information for your country, what threshold it is. If you want to check this information, go to your AdSense account and choose payments, and here you have information payment threshold. For Polish currency is 300 Polish zloty, I know for US is 100 US dollars, so check how it's look on your country. In my country is like you see here. So this is the easiest way to check how looks threshold for payout from the Google AdSense. If you don't meet this requirement for threshold and you want to see how many money was transferred from YouTube to Google AdSense, so you can easily check this. So go to view transaction. So like you see for the March information is not available yet because March is in progress, but we have information from February, from 1st to 28th February 2022. So like you see, here is my earnings from the YouTube. It is 176 Polish zloty. It's converted from USD dollars, what I show you in my YouTube accounts, from 44 USD dollars. And I have another earnings because I have ads on my website, so here is additional earning from my another sources. So if you want to check how many you earned in previous month from YouTube, here is the best option to check this. If you have any question, put this in the comments below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.